Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP Domains. So the three basic objects for defining data in the ABAP dictionary are domains, data elements and tables. The domain is used for the technical definition of a table field such as field type and length. And the data element is used for the semantic definition, short description. And a data element describes the meaning of a domain in a certain business context. It contains primarily the field help and the field labels in the screen. The domain is assigned to the data element, which in turn is assigned to the table fields or structure fields. For instance, the MATNR domain care material number is assigned to data elements such as MATNR_N, MATNR_D, and these are assigned to many table fields and structure fields. Creating domains. So before you create a new domain, check whether existing domains have the same technical specifications required in your table field. If so, we are supposed to use that existing domain. So let us discuss the procedure for creating the domain. Step 1, go to transaction SC11. Step 2, select the radio button for domain in the initial screen of ABAP dictionary and enter the name of the domain. Then click the create button and you may create domains under the customer namespace. Name of the object always starts with Z or Y. Enter the description in the short text field of the maintenance screen of the domain, and in this case it is customer domain. Cannot enter any other attribute until you have entered this attribute. Step 4, enter the data type, number of characters and decimal places in the format block of the definition tab. Press the key on output length and it proposes and displays the output length. If you override the proposed output length, you may see a warning while activating the domain, and you may fill in converts, routine, sign and lowercase fields. But these are always optional attributes. Select the value range tab, and if the domain is restricted to having only fixed values, then enter the fixed value of intervals. Define the value table if the system has to propose this table as a check table, while defining a foreign key for the fields referring to this domain. But all these are optional attributes. Step 6, save your changes, and the create object directory entry pop-up appears and asks for the package. You may enter the package name in which you are working, and if you do not have any package, you may create in the object navigator, or you can save your domain using the local object folder. Step 7, activate your domain and click on the activate icon, or press Ctrl plus F3 to activate the domain. A pop-up window appears listing the two currently inactive objects. And step 8, at this point the top entry label DOMA with the name ZSAP_18 is to be activated, and as this is highlighted, click the green tick button. The window disappears and the status bar will display the message object activate. If error messages or warnings occurred when you activated the domain, the activation log is displayed automatically. The activation log displays information about activation flow. You can also call the activation log with utilities activation log. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP domain, and we will be discussing more on SAP ABAP in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.